Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Have you guys ever heard of thrift books? I just found out about thrift books not too long ago, matter of fact. So, Dymond and Chelsea were over here. Chelsea needs something done, and she messaged them, "Does your mom have a Cricut?" Dymond's like, "Yeah." And then I got a message, "Hey, Mom, is it okay if me and Chelsea come over and buy you your Cricut?" And I think she told me Sunday night, and I'm like, "Sure." I totally forgot they were coming today. You couldn't see the top of my craft table, so I did a speed craft cleaning room. And I did. They had room to work. And Diamond threw this at me. She's like, "Here." And I'm like, "What's this?" And she goes, "You will see." Well, so on Saturday or Sunday, I would have to go back and look at Beamon's Crafted Corner when she did this adventure haul. She had a book and she was showing books and stuff. And I'm like, "Wow, that one's cool." Diamond was actually sitting on the sitting in her phone, actually doing a thrift book order. So she found the one I said, "That's cool," and she ordered it for me. You ready? Which one? I should see if you guys can guess. I won't. She got me the Doodle Diary. Paid $3 for it, guys. $3. I was like, not bad. Plus shipping, but we pay shipping regardless where we get stuff these days. So, plus with hers. So, it's a doodle diary with a dictionary for deciphering the meanings of your doodles by Nancy S. Nelson. The back says, "Doodles are unique to each person as handwriting. Try an untraditional, extremely revealing approach to journaling with Doodle's diary. In addition to graphic paper pages and doodle-inspired designs, this journal contains a dictionary for deciphering hundreds of doodles. Fill up pages every day and learn what those lines, circles, squares, and squigglies say about you." Oh, I can only imagine. Published by Clarkson Potter Publishing, an imprint of Crown Publishing Group, division of Random Housing, based on the book The Doodle Dictionary, A Guide to Understanding the Meaning of Your Doodles, by Nancy S. Nelson and Alice Laundry. And it's www.clarksonpotter.com and printed, of course, in China. And so it has this flap, it has this spiral here, and let's open it. Good shape, very good shape. So we open it. And it says this Doodle Diary belongs to, and it says Potter style. I don't know what that means. And then this side has, "With love always to my grandchildren." And this copyright 2008. And da 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 da. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Well, I keep a doodle diary. What do doodle diary mean? It's an introduction. Doodle hints, author's notes, and then a doodle page. So they're just plain, and they got some sort of, like, this one has a flower and a grid. There's that one. Honeycomb, squares. Oh, down here it says doodle clip date, time, and place. I don't see that one on that one. So, we got, so each page changes a little. They're double-sided. So they all change a little bit. Different design on the pages itself. Like here's like a plain one. They all have that doodle date, time, and place. And then in the back it says Doodle Dictionary. It has an A right here. Airplane. Let's see. Airplane. To do a doodle of an airplane, I guess. Your head is in the clouds. You want to move forward or take a vacation on an airplane. Doodle without wings mean you really need a vacation. Okay, so I guess, let's see. Mosaic. German shape filled together when you're feeling obsessive or need to have all the pieces fit. If they don't fit, you might become unglued. Ah, so you, like, say I doodle a square. Let's look up square. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Okay, I don't, square, right there. I was like, wait a minute, I don't see square. So if I doodled a square, it would, ugh, I can't speak, guys. A square. If I doodled a square, this is what the meaning of a square would be if I doodled it. As opposites to round forms, squares may indicate that you are a more aggressive, purposeful type who circles structures and discipline. Who likes structure and discipline. Sorry. Let me read this again. A square. As opposed to rounded forms, squares may indicate that you are a more aggressive, purposeful type who likes structure and discipline. So if I did a square, that's what the meaning is. Huh. Let's see what a circle would mean. I got curious now. This is going to be kind of cool, guys. Fun. Okay, circles. Circles. Reality, love, and playfulness. If you fill circles with design, shapes, faces, etc., you are an interesting, creative person who is filled with ideals. Circles within circles or spirals, you are a little screwed up. Oh, I guess that fits me. You're screwed up. Because I do that all the time. See, spiral. Oh, okay. So now I'll go to spiral. That's funny. Oh my God. I know Dawn's going to run with that one. Spiral. Okay, let's see. Let's find spiral here. Oh, that's funny. Spiral. This is kind of cool. It was nice of her to do that. She didn't have to do that. Oh, okay, where's spiral? Am I going the wrong way? Yeah. No, I'm going right. No, let's see. Scroll, seal, shell, 7, fading, shadow, shield, choose, reverse, spiral, skirt, sky. Oh. Okay. Oh, spiral right there. Spiral. A spiral, a universal sign of dictating concern, or deciphering, concerns with expression and generally in the demand aspects of life. Doodling a lot of spirals mean you want to expand, but may have a tendency to withdraw and to be too depressed to move on. I really want to know who thinks all this stuff. Seriously. Does this really mean that, or is this her interpretation of what she thinks they should be? But it's funny. That's kind of cool little thing that Dymond picked up. I asked her, I said, what did you pay for it? I was curious. And she's like, $3. I'm like, I didn't bet it all. And it has this. It's kind of weird how they did that cover. But oh, so that's going to be fun to mess around with someday. Because I like doodling. I'm always doodling. I doodle when if I'm not working on a project, I'll sit here and doodle. And I show you, I just did this, and you get, because somebody tells me it's called Zentangle or something along the lines. I don't know, because I've been doing this for years, and I didn't know there was a name for it. So I call it doodling. I did that flower the other day. It's just a printout off Google, and I just put circles and lines, and I colored it. But somebody told me that's Zentangle, whatever, because it's a pattern. I could be wrong. It's like over here, I did that the other night during bingo. Yeah, I'm capable of doing some stuff once in a while. At the same time. So, that's cool. Oh, I'm sorry. My camera got all moved. If I just moved it, I'm so sorry. Oh, there we go. I'm sorry I made you dizzy. So, that was a cool little gift from Dymond. But I want to thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys are having a pleasant Wednesday afternoon. It is 4 o'clock here. Scott just woke up from his nap. He has to work tonight. So I will talk to you later. Who knows? I might be live later. I didn't go live this morning because I woke up late. And then I got the phone call from Dymond. And then did some housework. And I got a slight headache right now. So I think I'm going to finish this video and take some ibuprofen and go lay down for a while and see if that helps. And if I get up feeling good, I'll probably go live. For anybody that watches this today, and which is this 23rd of February of 2022. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.